Hi there, welcome back again to my channel where I teach you how you can make a lot of designs outfits for yourself or for your client. So in this video I will be showing you quickly how you can make this straight slitted skirts. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe, like, comment below where you're watching this video from. So let's get into it, guys. So here is the fabric I'm going to be using. This is a velvet fabric. As you can see, I already folded this into four. So this is a stretchy fabric. I don't know if you all know what the kind of fabric velvet is. So but this now I'll be measuring this from the upper waistline, and which stands as your high waist. So this now I already folded it into four like I said earlier. So I'm going to be taking the measurement from above the novel, above your novel, if you want to take it. So here is the circumference of this measurement right now I'm taking, which is your waist circumference, your actual waist circumference, because this fabric is really stretchy. So I'm not going to be adding any allowance, although I'll be adding elastic band to this later on, but you don't need any allowance, trust me. So from that end there, I'll go down by 3 inches. So that 3 inches now stands as your immediate, from your immediate waistline to your upper novel. So that's what the 3 inches stands for. So from this point where I just outlined, I'll go down by 8 inches, which stands as your from the waistline to the hip line. So you can use 8 to 9 inches thereabouts. That's the standard measurement you can use for skirts. From your actual waistline down to your hip line should not be more than 9 inches. So if you're very booty, if you have a wider hip, you can use 9 inches, but I will be using 8 inches. So altogether it makes it 11 inches. I'll take my pattern master and then I'll be connecting the actual waist measurement to the actual hip measurement. Remember I said I'm not going to be adding any allowance to this. So make sure from the upper waistline to the actual waistline is the same measurement you're going to be using, because they are both the same waistline. So from that end, I'll use my curve ruler to just be outlining it, so it brings out that curvy shape from the waistline downwards to the hip. So I'll just trim out this excess allowance now. As you can see how simple and brief this tutorial is. All you need to do is just to take your waistline and your hip measurement, and that's all the length of the skirt from your upper waistline to the length you desired, and again adding your sewing allowance from for the upper side for your elastic band and the lower part to close your skirt. So that's all for the cutting. So the next thing I will do, I'll flip it now. I'll open this now. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can make this on your sewing machine. So I'll take this to the sewing machine now. I'll sew it with 1/2 inch from the upper side like so, and then I'll end it from your hip line. You can go down by 6 inches to 7 inches thereabouts, depending on how how open you want your slit to be. So I'll close it at the down part, and that will be all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you come back for more. Please like, comment below, and turn your notification bell on until I see you again in the next one. Bye.